My Banshee project. It's an 87 J-arm frame. I bought it for 700 bucks. I put a new top end on it, and I've decided to now completely kind of make a new dooner out of it. I didn't like the yellow. I wasn't very happy with the power. I think the motor was, it's like a ported top end, but it's ported poorly. It's an 87 frame, but it's got stock jugs, 34 millimeter carbs, and it's just Toomey T4 pipes. It just kind of sucks. So I've ordered some new parts for it. Stay tuned. Next video I'll probably put it together, and I'll probably do like a start to finish video. I'm recording this in my trailer. As you see, I got the other Banshee, my dirt bike in here. I'm having a 250R project going on in my garage right now, so stay tuned for those videos. It'll be an 86 frame quad with an 89 motor in it. Stay tuned for that video. This one here, I'm going to be putting in an Athena 68 millimeter top end with a 4mm crank. I'm going to continue to run the same T4s. Although I think I bought the last set of chrome CPI pipes you can get. And I probably won't use those. Those are for my future build. I am stacking parts for a +4 Dooner that I want to be like just top of the line everything on. This is going to be super budget build. Super budget as in everything is used. I got the Athena top end used, crankshaft, essentially most of the bike's going right back as is. I'm not changing anything. No suspension work. I'm probably going to reuse the swing arm for now. I will put a chrome on it. This is a +6 swing arm. The suspension seems to be pretty reasonable for the age. I had a lot of chrome parts on it that need polishing. It's been sitting for a while. You can see the axle, the hub, the bolts there. The pegs even, zoom in on the pegs. Yeah, it's a mess, but it's my kind of method. I take the bolts off and I put them where they go, and I'm going to assemble it exactly where it sits right now. So it's going off to powder coating on Monday. Doing a dark red with a black plastic, so I want to reuse the plastic. So I only have to change the one gray fender. I'll post a picture up and you can see what my example is. It's going to be a red, black, chrome. 3 colors, that is it. I'm hoping, because I paid 700 bucks for it, let's say the top end is done, but I still have that. I'm hoping to be into this whole thing for about 2,500 bucks, including the purchase of the bike quad. Let's see if I can do it and go from there. Stay tuned. I will post a video of me assembling it. The motor's already out. I'm not gonna take it apart until I get the cylinders. Alright, so just got the motor on the bench. Gonna tear it apart. I got these intakes on it. Just on the cases, there's a little bit of a repair that needs to be done. Not the chain whack, I'm gonna leave that. But I mean, one of the nuts, screws on the clutch side is stripped. So we're gonna get at that, and then once the new parts come in, should be ready to go. But yeah, stay tuned until next time. I'll do some more videos of it when I put it together.